In this video, we're going to talk about congruence in right triangles. So this is the final way of showing two triangles are congruent, and it only works for right triangles, and that's called HL. So HL is exactly what it sounds like. If they happen to be, so keep in mind, they have to be right triangles first. So if they're right triangles first, then if you have a hypotenuse, which is the one opposite the 90-degree angle, so this guy here, and any leg that match, and then the two triangles are congruent by HL. So these two triangles will be congruent by HL. So by HL. Congruency statement, so we're going to say triangle ABC is congruent. Now I started A, right? So A is matches with D, so it'd be DEF. Right? And then, but don't forget, if two triangles are congruent, that means that once you show the two triangles are congruent, that means that all the corresponding parts are congruent. So like angle C congruent to angle F. AC is congruent to DF, right? Once that's true, then everything else is true, right? All the corresponding parts are also congruent. Why does it? Because of the Pythagorean theorem, right? If you have a right triangle and you know two sides, then you can find the third side by doing a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So it works by the Pythagorean theorem. So that's the secret sauce that makes HL work. So once you have two sides congruent, then we know we can make the third side match. Okay, let's do an example. Given BD is perpendicular, that's what that upside down T means, to AC. So perpendicular means that they make a 90-degree angle. So it's saying that this guy and this guy are 90 degrees. So we're going to say angle ADB and angle CDB are right angles. Or 90 degrees. Either way is fine. That's definition perpendicular. So now we know these are right angles because it tells us that these two are perpendicular, which means that they make a 90-degree angle. Next, they tell us AB is going to BC. So let's mark it off, right? And that is just given. And right now we have it's a 90-degree angle, so we could do HL, but we have a hypotenuse, but we're missing a leg. But never fear, right? It looks like they share the side here, right? They share that middle line, so we could say BD is congruent to BD. The reason anytime it's the same, it's reflexive. And now we have this triangle is congruent to this triangle by HL. So now by HL, we have triangle ADB. Now again, it does not matter how you start the triangle. So I went ADB, so I just got to match it. So it must be CDB. Like that. Okay, let's do another one. It's our last one in this video. So given TZ is equal to RQ, so TZ is equal to RQ. So that guy is equal to that guy. That's given, right? No other information. They just tell you, hey, these two are equal to each other. Next, angle TQZ. So TQZ, that's this one. And QZR. So QZR. So keep in mind, that's this corner and this corner are right angles. So it means that this is 90 and that's 90. Like that. So again, they just told us it's 90, so that's given. Now again, we don't have HL yet because we have hypotenuse again and we have a right angle. I'm missing a leg. But just like last time, how lucky, they share this middle side right there. So we're just going to say ZQ is congruent to ZQ. Anytime it's the same, it's just reflexive. So we have by HL, that triangle, again, doesn't matter how you start. Let's go TQZ. TQZ is congruent to triangle. So if I started at T, then I have to start at R, and I went to the right angle. So it'll be RZQ. RZQ. Okay, let's finish this by doing a quick fire to see if things are congruent or not. So now we have all these ways that show the two triangles are congruent. We have side, side, side. Side, angle, side. Don't forget, angle has to be in the middle. We have angle, side, angle. Same idea. Side has to be in the middle. We have angle, angle on any side. We have HL. And then we have not congruent. So these are all of these are at our disposal now. So let's look at the first one. We have a right angle. So it's either HL. I mean, it could still be the other one. So I shouldn't put it away. But we have a right angle, so it's most likely HL. But it could still be angle side angle or angle side. And we have the hypotenuse. So we're missing one thing, right? So it might be not congruent either, but they share that middle line. So they share this middle line. And now we have a hypotenuse and we have a leg. So this, and it's a right triangle, so it's HL. Next one, over here we have angle, side angle. And over here we have side angle, side. They don't match, right? This angle, there's no like double angle over here. So this is not congruent. Okay, the next one, side, right, side, side, side. So side, 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 right? Those are all sides. They all match, done. Over here, we have a side and a side, but nothing else. So remember, if we look at it though, we could say this angle here matches this angle there because they're vertical angles. So now we have side, angle, side. With that in mind, the next one, right? I'm gonna knock off these right away. So we have vertical angles, so that angle's there. Now look at it. Remember, this is a side, those match. These are angles. So we have a side and two angles. It's not angle, side, angle because this side's not right here, but it is angle, angle, side. Over here, not right angles, so they're not right angles. We have an angle and two sides. That is not one of the things, right? That side angle is not a thing, so not congruent. And the last couple here, again, we have a right angle. So again, it might be HO, it doesn't have to be though. And they have a hypotenuse, but they also share this middle line down there. Does that count? So now we have HL, hypotenuse and a leg. And then over here, same idea, vertical angles. So mark that off. And now we have angle, side angle. And that's the video.